How to rise when life falls apart. Lessons from Ayanokoji. You won't regret watching this. Have you ever felt like life was pulling you down, testing every ounce of your strength? Maybe you've lost someone precious to you, faced a devastating financial blow, or find yourself completely drained of energy and motivation. Let me ask you, what do you do when it feels like everything is falling apart? How do you stand up when you're at your lowest? Today, we're going to explore powerful ways to navigate life's toughest moments, and we're taking inspiration from Ayanokoji Kiyotaka, the calm, collected strategist from Classroom of the Elite. He's someone who faces every challenge with a steady mind and unbreakable focus. And by the end of this video, you'll have clear steps to bring that same calm and clarity into your life, so you can rise up, even when it feels impossible. Step 1. Accept reality and see it objectively. Let's start with the foundation, acceptance. When things go wrong, we often want to fight reality or get consumed by emotion. But the first step to moving forward is seeing your situation clearly. Think about this: if you could detach from your emotions and see your life objectively, like an observer, would it change the way you feel about your problems? Could looking at your life objectively change your perspective on your challenges? Ayanokoji's strength lies in his ability to assess situations without emotional bias. By practicing detachment, we can focus on what needs to be done rather than getting lost in frustration or regret. Step 2. Redefine your purpose. When life shakes us up, it's a wake-up call to redefine what truly matters. Losing money or facing setbacks can be crushing, but they're also reminders that material losses don't define us. Ask yourself, what are you living for? Is it money, or is money just a tool to achieve what truly matters to you? If money was no longer a factor, what would still drive you? Take a moment and comment below. I'd love to hear, what is the one thing you want to achieve, regardless of your circumstances? And don't forget to subscribe if you're finding these reflections valuable. Step 3. Find your own strategy. We're all unique, with our own strengths, values, and ways to recharge. Just like Ayanokoji adapts his strategy to suit the situation, find what works best for you personally. Some people find strength in routines, others in creative outlets, or in connecting with loved ones. Think about it: what makes you feel most alive, even in difficult times? What activities, routines, or people give you energy? Experiment. Try a new habit, pick up a skill, or revisit a passion. Building your own strategy not only gives you a sense of purpose but also acts as a safety net during tough times. Step 4. Embrace setbacks as natural parts of life. Here's a truth we often overlook: life isn't meant to be a smooth, endless climb. Just like stocks and business cycles, we all experience highs and lows. The question isn't whether you'll face setbacks but how you'll handle them when they come. Instead of resisting these moments, consider them as temporary phases in your larger story. Every setback can be a learning experience, a step toward becoming stronger. Embrace the journey, knowing that every low is an opportunity to rise higher. Step 5. Live without regret. Ayanokoji moves forward with calm confidence because he's clear on his purpose. Living without regret means making choices that align with your deepest values. Here's a powerful question for you: if you knew you had limited time left, would your priorities change? Would you live differently? Are you living in a way that you won't regret? Don't waste time on things that don't matter. If you're going through a low, use it to reconnect with what's truly important to you. Clarify your goals and align your actions with them, so every step feels meaningful. If you're finding value in these steps, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And share your thoughts in the comments. Are these questions helping you rethink your current situation? Let's help each other stay grounded and motivated. Step 6. Take small actions consistently. Finally, remember that every journey begins with a single step. Ayanokoji doesn't rush, he's patient and strategic, taking small actions that add up over time. Don't wait to feel fully motivated. Sometimes, action creates motivation. Whether it's taking a short walk, journaling, or reaching out to a friend, do something small that moves you forward. These small steps, taken consistently, create momentum that keeps you moving, even in the darkest times. Life is unpredictable, but that's what makes it an adventure. So next time you face a setback, remember to pause, breathe, and rise up with purpose. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments your biggest takeaway. Together, let's live boldly, without regret, and embrace every moment on this journey.